Hello and welcome. In today's episode, we're going to be exploring some of the most seriously cool technologies that are changing the game. From 3D edibles to transporting yourself to other worlds, technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's real and what's not. So grab yourself some popcorn and get ready to be amazed as we showcase through the top 6 technologies that are shaping the future today, whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro. In the first place, we have 3D printing. Imagine being able to print out a physical object just by sending a digital file to a printer. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, 3D printing is becoming a reality. This technology allows users to create physical objects by layering materials such as plastics, woods, some metals, and even food. Yes, food. 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing and allow the creation of custom, one-of-a-kind products. Imagine being able to print out your favorite chocolate, or your phone case, even your shoes. The possibilities are endless. Have you ever wanted to fully immerse yourself in a different world, whether it be a video game or a new location? With VR, that's becoming possible. This technology allows users to fully immerse themselves in a digital world by wearing a headset that tracks their movements and displays a 3D environment. VR has the potential to change the way we interact with technology and can be used from gaming to training simulations. Can you imagine being able to visit another planet or experience a roller coaster ride from the comfort of your own home? VR is making that possible. Third on our list comes artificial intelligence, or AI. You may have heard of this technology before, but do you really know what it's all about? AI involves the use of computer algorithms and machine learning to enable machines to perform tasks that would normally require human performance, such as language translation or image recognition. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and improve efficiency. But it also raises questions about the future of automation in certain jobs that humans nowadays do. Can you imagine having a virtual assistant that can do everything from booking a flight to ordering groceries? AI is making that real. I just hope the ride lasts a little longer than usual. Not forget that lining up and looking at the dashboard that says 120 minutes waiting from this point. No way. Next, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. Have you ever wished your appliances and devices could communicate with each other and make life easier? If so, with the IoT, that's becoming possible. This technology refers to the interconnectedness of physical devices, such as appliances and sensors, that are connected to the internet and can exchange data with one another. The IoT has the potential to improve efficiency and convenience. Kind of scary because it may raise concerns about privacy and security. Imagine having a smart thermostat that can learn your schedule and adjust the temperature for you. Or a fridge that can automatically order groceries when you're running low on something. How crazy is that? I know I can ask the waiter for a toasty, but I'm gonna have to talk to my toaster for it. Next on our list, we have drones. You may have seen these autonomous aerial vehicles being used for things like filming or search and rescue, but did you know they have the potential to revolutionize industries such as agriculture and delivery? However, they also raise concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse. Can you imagine being able to have your favorite pizza delivered by one? Drones have nowadays a vital role in the cinematographic industry. Drones are part of our lives, and we sure will see more of them every time. Finally, in this top 6, we have a technology that can be probably one of the most controversial, but only because it has been mentioned everywhere in the last couple of years when the COVID-19 outbreak started. And don't forget these crazy conspiracy theories as well. Nanotechnology involves the manipulation of matter on a molecular or atomic scale. This might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's actually a real technology with the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and energy. However, it also raises ethical questions about the potential risks and unintended consequences of manipulating matter at such a small scale. Can you imagine being able to create new materials, or even machines that measure not more than a grain of sand that could repair damaged tissues at a cellular level and interacting with the cells themselves? Wow. Alright, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun and learned a bit more about these new techs that are already here. Which of these have you heard of? Which one do you think is the most scary? Or perhaps you didn't know about one of them on our list. Don't forget to drop a comment in the section below telling us which was your favorite one. Have any suggestions? Let us know also in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's video, we'll love you to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on coming videos. We'll keep constantly bringing you more about these amazing and scary new technologies. Thanks for watching.